Hi and welcome to this Furuno Australia TZT3 training video. Today in this video we're going to be looking at the home screen and display setups. So let's jump straight in. So firstly we're going to look at the screen that's there, so that is the standard chart plotter with the fish finder and DFF3D. To change displays, the first thing we're going to look at is the home page setup. And the home pages is where we set up different split screens and different items on those split screens. So up in the top left of the display, you will see a button with a house on it and labelled home. We single tap on that home screen, we get into the home screen menu. Here you can see there is a chart plotter, there's different sonars and sounders and different combinations of different screens. So if I wanted to go to the full screen sounder, I can tap on the sounder screen and now I have full screen sounder. Conversely, if I want to go to radar, I can tap on the full screen radar. I can set up my own displays. Firstly, if I want to set up a brand new display, I can tap on the white plus button on the bottom right hand side, and I can go to the create page window. Along the left hand side you've got the number of displays that you wish to have. So right now we're on 1, I can tap on 2, 3 and 4. So if I wanted to set up a dual, a tri and a quad display, I just simply need to tap on the option that I want. From there, if I wanted to have a chart plotter, I grab the chart plotter icon on the right and drag it across and drop it where I want it. If I want to move it, I can select the chart plotter on the display and move it around to wherever I would like it to go. I can also add a radar if I want to, and I can add a fish finder. I can add multiple different things. I can do cameras, I can do engines. It's a fully customizable display setup. Once you finish that, we click on the tick and it will create the page and off we go. If I want to edit one of these pages, so if I've already got enough pages on the screen and I want to change one, I hold my finger on the tile that I want to change, and you'll see that they all kind of start to wobble and move, and I can choose, once they do that, on the icon that you've selected, there is a little white edit icon in the top right of the box. I tap on that box and I can now go back to that edit page and I can change and choose what I would like to have, so on and so forth. So you can see I've got a multiple different combinations of different screens. So again, to recap on that, if I want to create a new page, I click on the white plus and choose the number of screens that I want to have, and then simply drag the items that I want on the display, and I can rearrange them by dragging them around each box. Then click the green tick to finish it. If I wish to edit a page, I hold down on that page that I wish to edit, I choose the edit icon. I can also, while we're here as well, I can remove this as well. So if I want to clean up my display, I can choose to remove any ones that I want to. If I've got a few that are important, I can also increase the size of them. So the chart plotter one is the biggest one, and I can hold and move around. I can arrange the screen in any order that I wish to have. If you have multiple MFDs, these home screens will copy across on each MFD. Switching between displays as well, if I wish to quickly change between, there is a function, what we call a gesture function. If I swipe from the top of the display down, you will get these boxes with numbers in them. What we can do is we can set each one of those as a shortcut. So if I want to have plotter radar, I can now swipe down from the top, hold my finger down on the number that I wish it to be, and now we can see that the second option is chart plotter and radar. I can also have the sounder option as well, so I held my finger, and swipe down from the top, hold my finger down, and now I've got chart plotter and sounder. And I can do that on any of the screens. So if I wanted to have the chart plotter, sounder and DFF3D as an option, I can swipe down from the top, hold my finger down on number 4, and now that is a quick option. If I wish to change between them, I swipe down and tap once, and now I go to chart plotter, swipe down, tap once, and now I'm back to that split screen. So it's a very fast and easy way to switch between screens without having to go home and change your screens and so on and so forth. They're really shortcut keys and you have 6 of them. So that concludes our homepage and screen setups in this video. If you have any further questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact Furuno Australia support. Thanks.